Hey everybody, 3 through 5. Today we're going to be working with Melody Maker in Chrome Music Lab, and this is for our song that we're going to make that is due it on the 18th, which is our full 16 bars of a song in Song Maker. But I'm going to show you how to make a melody if you're having a issue making an actual melody for your song. This is kind of a little secret. We're going to go to, let me share my screen. All right. I'm going to make this as quick as possible here. Share. Okay. And I'm going to go to up here to just open up a new, I'm going to go to Chrome Music Lab in Google. Chrome Music Lab Melody Maker. Okay. Just like that in Google. It's going to open this up. And I'm going to hit Melody Maker, Chrome Music Lab. And it's going to come to here. This takes a while. Okay. Now I'm in Melody Maker. Okay. The thing I like about this is, let me see if I can make this a little bigger here. We can put a melody in here. This is just your piano, right? And this is going to give you a melody for your song. And it gives you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 little bars or spaces here. And when I play it, it's going to loop for me. Okay. And say, I like that. You can go ahead and play around and add other stuff to it if you want. But for now, I'm just going to leave it like that. Say I like that melody and I want to use that for my song. Okay. Now I'm going to take that melody and I'm going to put it into my song maker. I have my melody now. It's 8 bars. Now, if you look here, I have a grid paper that I can write my stuff on. But you can take those colors and take a pen and just write your colors in or draw your colors. You're going to actually draw 8 of these bars and put it in there so that you remember what you did. Or you could write it out on this piece of paper that I'll have for you right here and draw it into your colors. So I'll go like this. I'm going to write it down right now. So I'm colorblind, but I'm going to look at this. Blue, looks like blue. Or is that purple? Looks like purple, okay. So I'm just going to write it in like this. Boom, boom, color it in. Color it in. And I'm just going to color in the colors like that, okay, and go all the way across. Now, if I have 8 here, I have 8 boxes. I'm going to make 8 boxes. So, like that. Or just write down the colors on a piece of paper and then go to your song. We're going to go back to here. And I'm going to go Chrome Music Lab, Song Maker, into my song. Or if you already have your song saved, that's fine. Okay, go back to Song Maker in Chrome Music Lab and plug in those colors. What did I have? I had boom, right? Boom, boom. Oops. Something like that. Well, I had 8. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to play that and see what it sounds like. Does it sound like it? Right? So now I have that. Then I'm going to repeat it again here. With my other 8 notes. Now watch what happens when I play it twice. Okay? And I want you to do that for 4 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to do it here again. And this is going to be you're not going to copy this melody. You're going to make your own melody up. And you can do chords or you can do whatever you want. But Let's do it one more time here. Got to move myself. Okay, now I have my melody. So Melody Maker just helps you play the same melody over and over. And I want you to copy it and put it in 4 times. Now, if we have these 4 bars, that could be a chorus or that could be a verse. Okay, and that's all you need to do for now. You could add your drums in later, but I want you to have 4 of the same thing. We're gonna add 16 bars in the end, but I want you to have 4 of the same thing for these 4 bars, okay? And that's it. Melody Maker helps you if you're having problems making a melody for your song. You can also do one here and one here and make it different here and here. It's up to you. Okay, but I'm gonna make it short and sweet today just to use Melody Maker if you're having an issue writing your song. And that's it for that. Go ahead and save your song on SongMaker, and we will talk about working more with it later and adding the beats. All right, and that's it. Good luck. Email me if you have any questions.